In the era of big data, hundreds of millions of data records must be aggregated. Data warehouses can be used for real-time mining and analysis of massive data to help business insights and decision-making, and maximize the value of data. Traditional data warehouses cannot meet existing business requirements. For example, hundreds of millions of data records must be aggregated, or a large number of queries are concurrently executed. In industries such as gaming and advertising, data warehouses are used to analyze a massive amount of user behaviors. If the data warehouses cannot meet this requirement, the customer churn rate increases, and the customer conversion rate decreases. ApsaraDB for ClickHouse is a popular open-source database product for online analytical data processing. It utilizes the column-oriented storage and vectorized execution engine, and outperforms traditional data warehouses in queries with a response time that is shortened by 100 to 1,000 times. It can effectively support real-time analysis of massive data. However, enterprises that want to self-manage ApsaraDB for ClickHouse are faced with challenges such as high costs, difficult OM, and time-consuming operations. In this case, enterprises cannot reliably run business at low costs. ApsaraDB for ClickHouse is developed to resolve these issues. ApsaraDB for ClickHouse is an enterprise-level fully managed ClickHouse service. You can enjoy an out-of-the-box experience, analyze hundreds of millions of data records in real time, perform enterprise-level management, and be free from deployment in OM. It is widely used in traffic analysis, advertising and marketing analysis, behavior analysis, customer selection, customer profiling, agile BI, and other business scenarios. ApsaraDB for ClickHouse is compatible with open-source ClickHouse, and supports real-time data import at a rate of 50 megabytes per second to 200 megabytes per second. ApsaraDB for ClickHouse performs aggregate analysis at a speed approximately 200 times faster than the speed of Hive, and approximately 800 times faster than the speed of MySQL. It can be used to analyze hundreds of millions of data records, and perform data mining in real time to maximize the value of data. ApsaraDB for ClickHouse supports enterprise-level features such as tiered storage of hot and cold data, multi-tenant resource isolation, and online database management. ApsaraDB for ClickHouse is integrated with Kafka, Flink, MySQL, Hadoop, and MaxCompute for real-time computing, big data computing, and business database synchronization. It supports comprehensive and efficient data access, and quick construction of real-time data warehouses. ApsaraDB for ClickHouse supports quick deployment of clusters, replica configuration, parameter configuration, network security configuration, and monitoring and OM system construction. It is out of the box and free of deployment to the cloud. This saves the time and costs of self-managing data warehouses. ApsaraDB for ClickHouse provides an all-round monitoring and diagnostic system for the disk, CPU, memory, and read-write capacity. It also provides expert support in the database field. The OM costs are reduced by 80%, and the service availability is up to 99.9%. ApsaraDB for ClickHouse of the Cloud Native Edition has been released, and the versions of ApsaraDB for ClickHouse continue to be improved. In the first phase, storage and computing are separated, which supports independent scale-out of storage or computing and supports scale-out within minutes. In the second phase, you need to only focus on your business requirements instead of the cloud infrastructure. What are you waiting for? Start your journey with ApsaraDB for ClickHouse. Let massive data play its role.